Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will show 3 shortcut key for Windows 10. Windows plus and Ctrl+M, click on zoom in and zoom out. Click on magnifier. Click on minus zoom out in magnifier. Click on plus open magnifier and zoom in. Typing on keyboard windows+ctrl+O. Open the Windows on-screen keyboard. Help for any type here. If you are first visiting my YouTube channel, please subscribe and notify the bell icon, click, and see your next updated video. Typing windows+ctrl+D, open the Windows desktop auto slideshow.